Right, that's that in. Guys, sorry if I look like a mess, but I am about to head over to Joe's because we're going to be painting his engine bay today, and it's already being a pain in the arse from where I've had to like deconstruct my compressor to fit it in the compact. But yeah, so Joe has hopefully got the stuff sorted, so I pretty much just need to turn up, chuck some paint on it, and that's it. I think there'll probably be a little bit of prep work. Well, there will be, because I'm going to want to use some panel wipe and stuff, and a few things like that on it. But yeah, hopefully he's got some sort of little like rig set up, or we're going to have to set one up, because it's being painted on the road. It's only the engine bay. I'm going to be using my small gun. But yeah, let's get there and we'll see. Right, so we got a little the base set up, painting the gun, you know, chilling, and yeah, it's kind of prepped up, I guess, but we'll see, won't we? Well, I guess. That's it. Right, so we've got the first coat on. Obviously, it's just like not fully on thick, but yeah, looking all right, isn't it?
Along with the mud.
The mud, yeah. Oh yeah, shit. We had a load of mud spray out underneath here because Joe's really good at cleaning it, clearly. Yeah, and it's in the paint. We're just gonna paint over it, so don't worry about it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we've got 3 coats in here. Some overspray and stuff. So obviously, like this one's got the special painted brake lines now with the steering column. It's gone off. Mate, that's fucking gone off. Obviously, I wouldn't touch those.
And the engine mounts.
Oh yeah, and the engine mounts.
Polybush now.
Polybush. Apart from that one, that was just normal. Yeah. But yeah, let's get a shot of the outside again, because I don't think I've got that. Now that's a proper booth with a proper setup. Yeah, and that's why they call him Streeto Joe, isn't it? Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate.
Saw that fuel. I've got to move the back.
So we got those bits, the dirts in there. But other than that, man.
I like the factory like this, mate.
Did it?
Clean to export.
Yeah. ABS still in there, but doesn't work. It's not plugged in or anything.
Snippety snip with the old sensors.
Yeah. Here we go already. Hour and a half later, sort of thing. Engine's already in. Sheesh!
Them ITBs though.
So 4 hours ago, we had the van parked here, painting. Now, engine in, ITBs. Come on.